What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda CX-50 remote key fob. This Mazda CX-50 key is going to be for the 2023 to 2025 Mazda CX-50, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key and I'm going to pry this side off, the side with the Mazda logo. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to get my screwdriver behind this cover and that metal piece like that and just carefully pry until it pops apart a little bit. And then once it's started, you can just get it the rest of the way off with your hands. Once we get that cover off, there's one more cover we need to take off right here. And for this one, you can just get your screwdriver under the edge of it right here and pop that up. And then that will come off. And now we see our battery right here. And there's a little bit of a cutout right here in this battery holder so that you can get a screwdriver in there and get under the edge of the battery. We'll get the old battery out and then we'll grab our new replacement battery. And we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. I'll tuck that edge in first like that, then snap it down into place. Then we'll grab this cover and you can see there's this tab that sticks out on this side. That'll slide into that notch like that, snap down into place. And then the last thing we need to do is put this cover on. And you can see there's this tab that sticks out of the back of it on this one corner. So we need to line that tab up with this slot right here. Get that tab in that slot. And then that whole thing will snap back on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.